CryptoSlo, cryptocurrency news and investing.
CryptoSlo here with more crypto gains. Today we are going to talk about, do the new Nvidia drivers make a difference in your hash rate? So as you can see here, I'm currently mining Digibyte on a mining pool, and I'm getting on average 1,004-ish on my mega hash per second with a 1080 Ti. So what I'm going to do is, and this is using CC Miner Alexis 78. So I am going to update my drivers and we're going to see what we get. Stay tuned. Alright, the first step is going to be to check your current driver version and see what you got. So to do that, we are going to go to Windows, Control Panel, System, Device Manager, Display Adapters, GeForce GTX 1080 Ti, Properties, Driver. So you can see I'm running 1027 2017, which is actually kind of an old driver. So the latest greatest is January 29th. So we're going to go download that. So let's check it out. Alright, so we can go to Nvidia's website and download the latest driver, or we can just type in, if you have one of these cards, GeForce Experience, which actually has the driver thing built into it. So GeForce Experience Control Panel drivers, and what do you got, baby? January 29th, 2018. Now, the question is this going to improve my hash rate? Remember, we were at 1,004 before, and we're going to see what we get after. So this is going to take a little while to download, a couple minutes, and I'm going to go ahead and install it, and then we'll run the miner and see what we get. Meanwhile, so downloaded the 400 meg package January 29th, and it's taken a while here. Oh, there it goes. Installation complete. So there you have it, folks. Updated to the January 29th, 2018. So I'm going to go ahead and reboot just to be safe, make sure everything's reset, and see where we're at. Alright, we're back. Freshly installed January 29th Nvidia drivers. Time to load up Alexis 78 and see what she does. Executing. And she's off. So remember, just 5 minutes ago, we were getting 1,004. Let's see what we're getting now. Oh, 986. $1,035. 2014, boo. 2016, 2018, 2022, 23. Boy. 2024, 2025. I like where it's going. Seems to be doing some difficulty adjustments. So, rounding out this video, do the new Nvidia drivers increase your hash rate? I would say they increase your max hash rate by about 1 to 2%. And that's based on CC Miner Alexis 78. So there's your answer. And I mean, I guess in a 8-card system, you could be talking 16% per se more output, or 2% a card. So I guess in a multi-GPU unit, every little bit counts. So there's your answer. This is CryptoSlo. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.